Hello everyone, welcome to the video and my name is Fari
My name is Damar,
and today we'll show you how to make Perkedel. So without any further delay, let's get straight to the ingredients.
a kilo of potatoes, 1 egg, 2 spring onions, masako, and lada.
Alright, the first step, peel the potatoes and wash them until there is no dirt on them. Once the potatoes are cleaned, heat water in a steamer and steam the potatoes until slightly soft.
And after, remove them from the steamer and mash finally in a container or basin. One of masako and half teaspoon of pepper. Chop the spring onions and then add them to the mashed potatoes. Steam form a flat round shape like this.
Crack the eggs, add some masako, and then stir it until the season is all mixed up completely with the egg. Put the frozen perkedel into the eggs and then fry them over medium heat. And tada! The delicious perkedel are now ready to be served to your family or friend.
So here we are at the last moment of our video. We hope this video can help you. So thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.